How to add music to your Facebook profile page. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we're going to learn on how we can add music to our Facebook profile page. So without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. If you want to add music to your Facebook profile page, it is very simple for us to do so. Now what we have to do to add music to Facebook profile page is open up the Facebook app first. Log in and tap the profile icon from the top left. Once we've done that, just scroll and under details select see your about info. From about info, you have to just scroll and look for the option called music and go to see all. Now first tap the plus icon right at the top right hand side to be able to add the music to this list. Now once we like a certain music, tap the three dots icon next to that music and tap on pin to profile. So when you select pin to profile, that particular music will be pinned to your profile page on Facebook. So I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial. And as always, see you soon in the next video.